Hey, my people, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Yemsi, and this channel is all about exploring the stunning sights of Greater Vancouver and beyond. So, you'll see plenty of street views and beautiful locations as I drive around the city, showcasing the best spots to visit. While I'll also share some family adventures along the way, the focus here is on the incredible places we can discover together. So today I'm hitting the road with my three boys and we're headed to the Cactus Club Cafe for lunch. I can't wait to share the views and our journey with you. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Yes.
It's really confusing with the menu, but what we're learning at school right now, it's kind of our teacher explained to us how the Cactus Club menu is. I just have to remember how. Cactus Club. What? It's a restaurant. I remember we looked at the menus at school, so I remember I think there's chicken.
Yeah, are your concerns going to be there something? Because your teacher went into the class, right?
We were doing math.
What? How? I see it.
Where do you see cactus?
Right here. Oh, this place.
Wait, we've been here before.
Just
No, we've been here before.
Big check.
you guys can follow me over here. No, he said I'm a new.
Mama, this is what I mean. Look, this is how much it.
Oh, yeah, I get you.
You hit me.
Okay.
Yeah, so you gotta find it out.
Grandma, can you put
Yeah? Fine, thank you. What do you think, Kenny? Yeah. Go ahead, dig in.
That's so cute.
Pardon?
Kenny, do you even like this? What is that? Is that garlic bread?
Just me saying this, or did Kenny not get the full garlic bread?
You like it or not?
Too much.
No. It's never too much.
You're too much. sorry, Jane. Lady's the only one that didn't get who she wanted.
What?
Because that's what I was doing when I didn't know the password. That's the first thing that came to mind.
It's coming.
Also,
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy, buddy.
All we do is just play instruments, and then that's just the end of it.
and there's 2 blocks instead of 1.
Like that finish.
Nothing from like PE.
That was like half of my
No science. Look, I like science, but like no science. And we have
gorilla.
We're done now, fam, and heading home. I'll rate the overall experience a 7/10. It was a nice time. I just spending with the boys, listening to their stories from school. I'm gonna head home now and just rest for the rest of the evening. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with us. Take care.